Want some chicken? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious grilled spatchcock chicken. And the first thing that we want to do is make our brine. Now I've got a lot of rosemary in my garden, so all I did was to go snip, get some, put that in a pot, and then to that added some coriander seeds, some black mustard seeds, some garlic, some onion, and then some salt. Well, as the name already implies, it's a brine, so you want your solution to be very salty. We'll then bring that to a boil and then let that cool properly. Now, while we're waiting for our brine to cool down, we're going to spatchcock the chicken. Now, spatchcocking the chicken simply means you're going to take off the backbone of the chicken like I'm showing over there, and then just lay the chicken flat. That's basically you spatchcocking your chicken. Now, while removing the backbone, I totally forgot to remove the wing tips. That is not an issue. And you can see that I've got some really bad knife holding issues. I think we generally all have issues in the kitchen where we don't do things the way they're supposed to, but that's not a problem. It happens. Now, if your chicken has not been already prepared for you or is already been cleaned, then you're going to want to turn the chicken onto the other side. Make sure that you're taking off extra fat and any bits inside that don't belong there, and then just make sure that you're cleaning it. One thing to remember always is that when you're working with chicken, you need to make sure that after you're done, you're washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water to avoid any kind of cross contamination. So that's our chicken all prepped. I went and cleaned it with some lemon juice, and then it's ready to go into the cool brine. Now, we did this brine overnight. Ideally, that's what you want to be doing. Put it in a bowl, put your cooled down brine over that, cover with a cling film, and then leave that overnight. So then the following morning, we're going to take the chicken out of the brine, pour the brine away. You don't want to use that brine anymore, and then leave the chicken to come to room temperature. I also patted the chicken with some paper towels just to make sure that we're getting as much of the chicken dry as possible. Now, the marinade that I put on the chicken is wet, and that is the only thing you want on there, which is wet. Now, the marinade is a mixture of peppers and spices, and the full ingredient list will be on gingerandseasalt.com. So I'm just going to brush the marinade all over the chicken and then get that ready. Now, I also decided to put the chicken in a grill basket. It just makes flipping over and cooking so much easier. To prevent the chicken from sticking to the grill basket, I made sure to oil it. We're then going to grill our chicken. This chicken was done over charcoal, and I know it can be a bit difficult to regulate the heat when you're making chicken. I had a temperature gun, but I did not use it. I decided not to and just wing it like I usually do. When you're grilling it, you can also use a thermometer to check the temperature of your chicken. I know when the chicken is done, so I didn't need to use a thermometer. Now, once our chicken is almost done, and here it is almost done, what I did was that I saved some of the marinade that I used for the chicken, and then I mixed it with some spices just to get that on top of our chicken that is already cooked. You can see that our chicken has a bit of a char on it. It's not burnt. I can attest. I ate it and it was perfectly fine. So if you're worried about the little char on there, don't be. That is what makes the chicken taste even better. Now, you don't want your chicken to be burnt. We're just talking about a little bit of a char, and that is fine. So towards the end, like I said, you're going to put that heavy marinade on there and then brush your chicken with that. Now, because there's a bit of a raw garlic in that marinade, you want to make sure that it stays on the fire a bit. So our chicken is all done, and what I did then was to portion it and then just set it aside for another day. I do a lot of batch cooking, cook and then freeze for later. I don't have the time to be cooking every single day, and so this is what I did. Now you can tell that the chicken is very juicy. You can see that it's not dry at all. I ended up using this chicken for a chicken sandwich, which I will probably film also so that you can see how versatile this is. And this is also absolutely amazing with fried yam and really hot pepper. The chicken was tasty, it smelled absolutely amazing. And you know, when you do any kind of meat or fish over coal, it's so much different than if you do it in an oven. And I've made this spatchcocked chicken in an oven as well. It turns out tasty, but I just like that general charcoal grill feel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed eating the chicken. And do let me know if you're willing to try this. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Remember to like, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time. Happy eating!